the vacuum cleaner. It removes dust and dirt with every sweep. How does this machine generate storm force suction in a pod that's light enough to haul around the house? 85 parts work in unison to generate maximum suction. A bag that lets in the air, but locks away the dust. A steel propeller that spins faster than a power drill to suck in 500 gallons of air a minute. A super efficient motor that uses less than half the power of a hairdryer. It's a dust-hungry beast that's designed to last. Millions of vacuum cleaners are sold globally each year. They eat up millions of tons of dust and make living rooms the world over just that little bit nicer.